this video, we will look at the top 5 best hoverboard seat attachments available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Hoverboard Seat Attachment. If you love go-kart racing, and your passion for the self-balancing hoverboard is never-ending, then we have good news for you. You can now transform your hoverboard into a hovercart by attaching a go-kart seat to your hoverboard. The transition tool is an outward accessory mounted on the top of your skateboard and gives you a stylish ride. Hover One gives a new and adorable look to your hoverboard. It can make your ride more exciting and entertaining despite your riding experience. Hover One. The Fog Blaster has adjustable frame length, i.e., straps are securely attached to the hoverboard buggy. Hand operations give full control of the hoverboard. Twist your board, make quick turns, and reverse it with independent rear wheels. The self-balancing hoverboard with 6 to 10 inches tires makes it compatible among all. The complete assembling instructions are easily understandable by all. The hover cart will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes of your life from unboxing the go-kart till it entirely operates. The best hoverboard go-kart attachment is a perfect high-quality seat that turns your go-karting experience into a more conventional style. The flawlessly featured seat attachment can be a fantastic birthday and Christmas present. Number 2. PRINIC Hoverboard. It's much fun to stand upright and ride a balancing hoverboard. But the go-kart attachment gives a whole new experience out of the hoverboard. The seat attachment is a dream accessory for all hoverboard riders. It can carry from skinny to chubby weight without snagging the fun time. Now it's the time to allow your kid out for some fun and let them enjoy the amazing toy. The PRINIC Hover Cart is super fun and comfortable. It ensures a safe ride for your kid. The stable go-kart attachment will protect your kids from harm and injuries. It provides sheer driving pleasure. Take 10 to 15 minutes out of a busy schedule and learn how to drive the cart with confidence. The perfectly designed seats allow the air to go through the seats, keeping you cool. The back support releases the pressure of the spine and butt, thus providing you the uninterrupted joy. The conversion kit transforms the self-balancing scooter into a go-kart. The adjustable frame has 7 length options. Adjust the frame by pushing or pulling the screw according to the size and height of the rider. If you're searching for an ideal gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, or events, then buy it without giving it a second thought. Take a 360° turn with a 360-degree swivel wheel and have an easy, quiet, and smooth ride. Available in your favorite colors. Fill the life of others with the colors of joy. Number 3. Go-Kart Conversion Kit. The fantasizing HIBOY kart hoverboard go-kart attachment with seat chair has something unique in it to offer, which you have been finding for so long. It is compatible with all hoverboard. Without any further ado, let's look into its details. HIBOY kart is a modern gadget that enhances the traditional hoverboard style. It is more fun and easier to learn. You can say goodbye to spills and falls from the unstable standing position. With HIBOY kart, have a comfortable seated position allowing a perfect balance at all times. The HIBOY kart guarantees satisfaction to its users. It also offers extra parts and straps to cover the wear and tear of riding. Never miss a moment to invite adventure and thrill into your life. Go straight, twist and turn to 360 degrees, and maintain balance. It is lightweight and a great toy to cover shorter distances. A pretty fun go-kart seems to go a little faster. Let your kid master the hoverboard skills within minutes with loads of excitement. Number 4. MINGTO Go-Kart Attachment. When I put a glance over the MINGTO go-kart, its jaw-dropping agility kept my mouth wide open. The sleek design and enchanting colors sprinkle the sizzling effect on the hoverboard. If you have trouble in balancing a hoverboard, then turn your hoverboard to hover cart. If you are searching for the alluring hoverboard go-kart attachment, then go for MINGTO Go-Kart. It ensures a smooth and safe ride rather than standing on the hoverboard. No more falling when the hoverboard hits or jolts in the pavement. The adjustable frame length with seat attachment best fits the riders from kids to adults. The seat is highly comfortable, which encourages more strength in you. The seat attachment is suitable for 6.5, 8, and 10 inches wheel. This is the best hoverboard go-kart seat attachment so far. It has all that you wish for. With its alluring look to the remarkable performance, the MINGTO go-kart has won each one's heart. Highly recommended for all ages, weight and height. Pick your adventurous side and enjoy with MINGTO hoverboard seat. Number 5. HIBOY Seat Attachment. Are you searching for the hoverboard go-kart attachment with seat chair for you or your kid? If yes, then give a try to HIBOY HC01 hoverboard kart that has the power to dawdle up your daily shuttle. HIBOY HC01 gives a unique driving experience and invites excitement, thrill, and adventure in your life. HIBOY HC01 is beyond comparison. Its upgraded hip-hop seat is second to none. It can transform your two-wheeled self-balancing hoverboard into a fascinating go-kart. The perfect sleek design gives smooth performance and enhanced steering. Control every moment with ease and safety. Your age makes no difference. Whether you are a kid or a 65-years-old man, the solid, reliable, and durable kart kit will perk up your performance. It is almost fully assembled, and the modular design helps you to install it in 15 minutes. The HIBOY is designed after keeping an eye on all environmental issues and safety measures, thus, making it environmentally sound and cost-effective. The best go-kart seat attachment is featured to bring the utmost joy to your life. The go-kart is easily fixed to 6.5, 8, and 10 inches hoverboard wheel. The snug, comfortable seats give a smooth driving experience. Gift the best HIBOY HC01 go-kart attachments to your loved ones on birthdays, Christmas, or on special occasions. Have an unforgettable experience with HIBOY HC.